guys, welcome to a very different YouTube video. So as most of you know, I do tutorials for nails, but today we wanted to share with you Skye having her hair cut off for the Princess Trust charity. So today Skye will be having 10 inches cut off of her hair. Bit drastic, I know. So Skye, if you want to stand up and turn around, we'll show everyone how long your hair is. So as you can see, it is rather long. So 10 inches will take it to about here. Which is quite a dramatic change. But because Skye's got quite a unique hair colour, we think that there will be other children that will be able to benefit from Skye's hair. This was all Skye's idea. We've set up a GoFundMe page and we set a target for £50. Skye has smashed that and she's got £60 worth of donations for the charity. Down in the description box I will link the Just Funding page. So please, if you want, can you just donate as little or as much as you would like, just to sponsor Skye for having a haircut. So when you see us again, we will be at the hairdressers having the chop. See you later.
Bye.
So guys, we are now back from hairdressers and Skye has had the chop. She has had, how many inches of your hair cut off?
11.
11 inches of hair cut off. And she was so excited. She absolutely loved it.
Yeah.
How do you feel now you've had your hair cut?
Happy and excited.
Yeah? Let's stand up and let everyone see. I will be adding pictures of the before and after of what Skye's hair looked like. Skye and I would like to say a massive thank you to Katie Grimshaw from Absolutely Fabulous in Blackwood for cutting Skye's hair.
I had donated my hair to the Little Princess Trust and wrote a letter. Here is the letter.
Don't forget guys, in the description box I will be adding the link to the Just GoFundMe page for the Little Princesses Trust. The amount Skye has raised now is up to £85, which is amazing. Well done, Skye. And obviously she's had all her hair chopped off. So if you like our video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Bye.